Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with some Pretty Diva store dip powders. I've had these for I don't know, a few weeks now, and I have been playing around with them a little bit. So I'm just going to take them out. You do get 20 powders. And the sizes are 10 ml. So they're not huge bottles, but you do get quite a bit of use out of these. It doesn't say you could use these as like an acrylic / dip powder, but I did try them as an acrylic with monomer, and it did work. So, you know, just want to throw that out there. And I did do my nails. I've had them on. I did want to see how they stood on, and I've had these on for over a week now. I did leave this one. I did have to put a layer of like brush on glue and file it just because I wanted it to stay on, because I want to do this one with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead, and I am using Model 1's 2-in-1 base and top activator kit, because it doesn't come with it, but this is fairly cheap. I don't know if it's sold out right now, because it is a very good one and it does get sold out, but I believe it's like $6 and something cents, and I think it's like the cheapest one on Amazon. So I wanted everything else to be affordable. I do like to pour the powder over the nails instead of dip, just because to me, I feel like it goes on a little bit nicer. Oops, let's get this out of here. You could get these on AliExpress. That's where I got mine, but they do have them on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and get out this pink. I believe the pink I used. I don't know which one I did use. I think I used 019. And then I used 001 for the gorgeous glitter. So I'm just going to take the caps off. And like I said, I have been using these, so that's why they look like they're not so full, but they are very full when you get them. So it's simple as just brushing on your base. Make sure you get a nice even coat. And then I just go ahead and I just kind of pour it all over the nail. You know what? So I'm going to let that dry for a second. I just kind of let it set. Usually by the time you get to your pinky, you could go back and then just rebrush. So I'm going to give that a second and repeat the process. Okay, so again. And you know how some of these bases, they get like really hard after a while, or if they sit, you go back, and this one actually stood really nice. So I do like this Model 1's base. It's cheap and it stays nice. The brush doesn't get super hard, and it does come with an extra brush. It comes with a file, a little wood stick. So here is how 2 coats is looking. So it looks like I need to get to the cuticle, but I don't want to really flush the cuticle with product, because then it'll lift. So you don't want to get too close to that. But I'm going to try to get close as I can without really... Okay, and when that gets a little bit full, I just pour it right back into there. So I'm going to go ahead, close this up. These powders are really finely milled, so they apply really nicely in. I don't know, the filing is so minimal. You definitely don't need anything too coarse. Definitely do not need anything coarse to file these. So then I'm going to go ahead and just brush on. And actually, I like to dip my finger with the glitter. Look at that, you guys. All those chunky glitters, just kind of just want to push it down. I got a little hair right there. And there you go. Sometimes I file in between putting the glitter on, so I'll probably file, then go ahead and re-dip the, do another dip of the glitter. I'm going to go ahead, put the activator on now. It's really that simple. Then once you file, you just put your top coat on and you're good to go. No painting, no, it's really no drama at all. It's very easy. And I did this hand first. I had these on for about, oh, I don't know, a week and a half. I've had no lifting, no issues. And this hand I just did. So, yeah. Really easy. So if you're not good with acrylic and you're not good with, you know, maybe your nails are always splitting or they're just really thin, or maybe you wear a lot of acrylics and your nails are paper thin now and you just want them to be your natural nails. But you know when they're like, you take off your nails and they feel super thin, they don't feel right, so you want to put the nails back on? You could just do like a couple layers of dip powder over them just till they grow out and start getting strong on their own. I think that's like perfect for, this is what this is perfect for too. But let me go ahead and let this, feels like it's just about dry. Give it a couple minutes because I want to make sure that I'm going to file it, do another dip of the glitter, and we'll be all done. After we, and then we'll top coat it, and then we'll be all done. So I will be right back. And yeah. Okay, so I did file it a little bit. Just going to go over it with the buffer now. I just used my 100-180 grit file. I used the 180 grit side. I'm going to put a little bit more with the glitter up there just because I do like to get up by my cuticle. So again, I'm just going to go ahead now and put one more coat of the glitter. Simple as that. Again, activator. Once that's done, I won't file it. I'll just go over it with the buffer lightly and top coat it, and that's it. Put a little bit of cuticle oil. So here's how that's looking. I know my cuticles look a little dusty right now, but once we put some cuticle oil on, and I actually meant to do these sooner, but I did want to see how the nails, you know, test ran before I did do the review on this powder. And like I said, it has really stood on amazingly. Like, they're on there just as good as the acrylics. I mean, basically this is acrylic, it's just dip powder. You're doing it a different way. I see no difference. So like I said, for you guys who have a really hard time with doing acrylic, there you go. Perfect solution. So I'm just going to go ahead, give that a little, just in case there's any little bumps or... And that's it. So let me go ahead, and this is also a base and a top coat, so it's a 2-in-1. So after I use this top coat, I do use a regular gel top coat. So I will go ahead and do that once this dries, because these definitely on this side need a refresh of a top coat. So I'm just going to give them a little bit of a buff. I don't really want to get where the nail's at, the top coat, but I do want to get around these edges here. But there you go. That's how that's looking. So simple as 1, 2, 3. Check them out. I'll put the link down below in my description box. They are beautiful, beautiful dip powders. I've tried quite a bit of dip powders. Saviland dip, double dip. What else have I used? I've used quite a bit of them, and I really do like these ones. They're just really finely milled, and they go on just like if you went to go get your nails done at the salon with acrylics. So, yep. Let me know what you guys think. Check out the website. Like I said, really good product for your money. You get 20. There are beautiful colors. You got greens, you got purples, you got pinks, you got nudes, you got glitters. You just get a whole range of colors here. And before I go, let me just show you how they look on these pop sticks. The colors are just stunning. Much better just to, like, if you're, especially if you're just starting out, you know, buying kits gets you, like, you know, could fill up your, it could get you going quicker instead of buying them singly. And it did work with my monomer. So, I mean, that's not what it's meant for, but it did work. But yeah, beautiful colors. Really gorgeous. Them glitters are everything, though. Look at that. So go ahead, check it out. I'll leave the description down in the link below. Tell me what you think, and have a beautiful, blessed, and safe rest of your evening, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a big like. Leave me a comment down below to say what's up. Hello. Tell me what you think of the powders. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Bye.